Yeah, you can be sus if you want. Hi guys, today I'm playing Obby but you're a bug with my friend. You should probably go and subscribe to him when he gets a YouTube channel. Yeah, please. To all my 40 subscribers also, thank you for your support. Yeah. Bro. Okay, now join. Okay.
Please wait.
I am. Yeah, it's like mine. I'm gonna wait for you. I'm gonna wait for you on the bench, but buds can't sit, cause I don't know.
Stand on it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stand on it. Also, there's no emotes in this game, so I guess I'm just gonna stand on it.
I don't know what the birds are look like. I'm already imagining them.
Trust me, they're not very good birds. I mean, they kind of look like a bird. I mean, I guess that's the wings, that's the legs, and then that's the beak. But it looks like you're trying to eat something, you know? Like you're eating a piece of toast, but you can't swallow it. Mm.
Please, I hope the birds aren't ugly.
They're not too ugly. I mean, not saying that they're really ugly. Ow, I just bit myself.
Is it the 200 Poppy Boy or bird?
Yeah, join me.
Okay.
It should say that I'm playing, I mean.
Okay. Well, I need to restart because I can't see it.
Oh.
Did you not friend me?
No. You know what? I'm gonna go to the nest, and then I'm gonna.
Okay, so I'm going to find out.
Okay. I think you go here. I don't know. Tell me when you joined.
I see that my friend cover. I literally see the birds, but I mean, it's so bad. They're literally people with some weird black mouth. Weird legs.
Hey yo,
It's just sad.
where's back?
Oh my god, it's so weird.
Wait, did you join? Yeah. Yeah, I'm recording.
What? You can say just embarrass yourself. Everybody watching this video.
Hey.
That's just person what you say.
Amelia, where are you? Mm.
I'm coming. Okay, I'm going to start.
Wait.
And then read the seagull.
Is your name Luke the Boss 14?
Yeah. Wait, are we in the main server?
Yeah. I don't see you.
I'm coming back. No, I'll send you a friend request.
No, I'm already friends with you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you.
Because when I saw your friend thing said you were on.
Oh.
Is your name so anything?
Yeah. Wait, let me search. G. What's your name now?
My spring name.
Yeah. Wait, you're not friends with me. Sure,
Okay,
I think.
let me continue.
Yeah.
Wait.
Just search Amy Big Girl 123.
Wait, is her name Amy Gaming?
Yeah. No, it's Amy Gaming, a YouTuber. Okay, I friended you. It literally just popped up. Okay, yeah. Actually, it's been 5 minutes. Hey.
Oh,
I mean, 6. Yeah, it's been 6 minutes now. I mean. Oh, this guy fell down. Poor guy. Wait, I have to go in first person. Okay. Yeah. I hoped I get green, but I got pink instead. But it's okay, I guess. Yeah. Wait, where are you? No, it isn't. You're the worst color. How dare you? I'm sorry. True. Guys, don't bully people, okay? You say I did not mean it. You sus boy. But still, green is actually a good color. You know why? Because it's a favorite color. But still, you can like any color you want. Emilia, what are you? Oh, you're a white bird. You're a seagull. Seagulls poop everywhere, though. Oh no. Your Wi-Fi is like weird. Where are you? What? Your Wi-Fi is McDonald's Wi-Fi. Where do you go? Oh no, you go. No, I fell. How did I do that? Wait. I keep on falling. I'm so. No, listen. Listen, when you were here, I mean, when you weren't here, I was actually so good. And then when you're here, now I'm so bad. Where did you go? Okay. Okay, jump here. Jump like that. Wait, let me just. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, jump from here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey. No, you go like that though. You have to. No, look, bro, what are you doing? Come here, and then you go like that. Oh my gosh, bro, you're so laggy. I think the sus boy just left. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Yes, you are. Oh my gosh.
I'm straight.
Bro, the lies.
Are you just assuming my LGBTQ?
Oh. No, I fell. How's it karma? Tell me. Tell me how's it karma? I didn't say that. I said your sus. I said yours. Bro, how's it karma? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. I keep on falling. Why? But still, how is it karma? You see, that's why you're sus. That's why you are sus. I fell. Keep on pulling. I see lots of yellow birds now. So silent.
Yeah. Who does that?
No, joined. Someone just joined. Amala. Amala ooh. How am I supposed to do this? Where am I going next? Oh my gosh. Bro, did you leave?
Me?
Yeah, you.
No, immediately.
Oh, I thought you were immediately. No, I keep on falling. Yeah.
I'm stuck between these blocks.
Which blocks? Just respawn, I guess. Wait, no, which block? Wait, tell me if you see me once I get. Wait, are you in the cave? Are you outside the cave? You're screaming so loud though. I think everyone heard you. Oh my gosh. Wait, just respawn. Just respawn.
Will it take me back to the start?
Yeah, though.
I want to play with you guys.
Yeah, just join us. And just join me.
I'm playing Obby, but you're bad.
Yeah. Bro, you're a blue bird. You're literally exactly what Amelia wants.
This day I'm so mad.
Ah.
Hey.
Hey. What? Oh, you meant okay. I thought you meant you are as in the one in our class. You say, where are you?
Huh?
Where are you? Okay, come here. What are you doing? Hey, jump here. Okay, look. You go here. Okay, you go down here. Okay, you go down here. Now you have to do a very risky drop. Bruh. I just died. No, it isn't. This is so hard for me. Yeah, he actually did scream. Oh my gosh, I recorded over time. Bye guys. Oh my no. I recorded over time.